Welcome back, friends. And in today's era, smartphone have become an integral part of our daily lives. Means these phones are connecting us to the rest of the world. But suppose someday you are finding that your Samsung phone you are not able to unlock it, then what will you do? It may change the daily routine. So in this video, I am going to tell you 7 methods you should try if you have forgotten your unlock pattern of your Samsung phone. Then you should try these 7 methods. After that, you may go to mobile repair shop or seek professional help. So, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel if you like this video. What is the method one? That is unlock with the fingerprint or face recognition. Means when you are unlock your phone is locked, suppose like that, and here this you have forgotten your pattern. So just try to remember by your muscle memory. Try to put the old patterns. If it is not working, then the first thing is, if you have registered fingerprint, then open it with fingerprint or face recognition. So if your phone is okay and you are watching this video as a preventive maintenance, then please register your fingerprint and face as a preventive measure. In case you forgot your pattern, then it will work. So if you are able to unlock your phone with the help of this, that is okay. If you are not able to do that, then in Samsung Mobile there is a smart lock. I will show you what is that. SMART, smart lock. It is coming in the lock. Here it will ask for pattern, and then this smart lock keeps this device unlocked if you are going in that area. Means trusted place is there. You should add any trusted place like home, office. If you are adding home or office, any place, and your phone is entering in that place, it will automatically get unlocked. So activate the smart lock system and register trusted place and trusted devices. So this is the second method in Samsung, how you can unlock your phone if you have forgotten your pattern. The third is, in Samsung there is find my mobile. You should activate this find my mobile, and this should on. If it is on, then this is the Samsung account. You have to enter, and once you have entered, you suppose you are not able to unlock your phone, then what will you do? You will go to the nearby laptop or desktop, and you will enter into the samsung.com, and then in samsung.com, if you have enabled, just log in with the help of this Samsung account. You should have a Samsung account for this. So log in with the help of Samsung account and password, and then I will show you. When you will enter in that, this will come, and here see my battery is reflecting. If I am pressing ring, it will ring. So this is the method. How can you find your phone also? Then erase data. From here the data will be erased. Suppose I am doing this. 512747. 512747. I want to 7 also. So one thing also I want to tell you first, this phone is unlocked, so lock is coming. If it is locked because your phone is locked, at that time unlock will come and you can unlock from here. So this is the find my mobile, and erase data I will not recommend because it will do factory data reset. So this is the one method by which you can get your phone unlocked. If it is not working, then please go to the mobile repair shop for checking professional help. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.